Congratulations! You use digital tools to search for, write down, and communicate some activities you might do with a friend. In this unit, you created a Google account with a strong password to protect your personal information. Search the internet for activities to do with a friend. Used Google Docs to list activities and link to the websites you found in your search. And used email to communicate about your activities and send important information to your friend. Use the skills you learned in this unit to accomplish many different goals. You might perform an internet search for sources to use in a research paper for a class or for a work project. You could look up costs of materials or instructions for doing a home craft or renovation project. Then you could purchase everything you need through a secure website. Or you might email your friend memories from your day out by attaching photos, or set up another time to get together. If you are looking for a job, you could create a document with contact information and details about each position you apply for. Then use email to schedule interviews, write thank you notes, and follow up on leads. Digital tools put you in touch with a huge amount of information and give you lots of options for communicating and sharing instantly. This can help you stay on track with your personal and professional goals. Be sure to use caution when doing online activities, and don't give out credit card numbers, your address and phone number, or other personal information unless you thoroughly check who is asking for it. If you are using a public computer and are done working for the day, sign out of your Google account. And close all browser tabs and windows so no one else can access your account information. Always keep in mind these last steps when you are done working with digital tools. These strategies are proven to help keep your personal information safe and secure.